Hello, my fellow journeymen and women. For those of you who joined us in Rome for episode 1, welcome back. For those of you who are new to the channel, thanks for joining. In today's episode, we'll be taking you for a ride from Rome to the beautiful Amalfi Coast, and specifically, how we made the most out of our 2 days in Positano and Amalfi. Our journey starts in Rome, with a 2-hour train ride to Salerno. Alright guys, so we just got to Salerno. Had a little bit of drama this morning. For one, we almost didn't make the train. And then when we got on the train, word of advice, if you come to travel in Italy right now, public transport, everyone still wears masks. And the train conductor told us he was going to kick us off on the first stop if we didn't have masks. So luckily they sold them on the train. So we're here, we're in Salerno. We made it. We're at the train station now and heading to the ferry that's going to take us to Positano. So let's go. If you're traveling from Salerno like us, then we'd highly recommend taking a ferry versus a bus straight to Positano. Not only is it faster, but it also offers you some unreal views. So we're on the ferry right now, about to get into Positano. You can see here everyone's just joined. Nice views of the coastline. And then you got Shan. What is she doing? We don't know. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Shan, initial first impressions of Positano?
Absolutely amazing.
I agree with Shan. It really is amazing, and probably why it's been the background on my laptop for so many years. And believe it or not, there's more to Positano than just some influencer's backdrop. To start off, Positano is old. It was originally founded by the Romans as a trading hub, and you can even find remnants of a Roman villa buried under the Santa Maria Church that date back to 79 AD. It wasn't until the mid-20th century that Positano became a popular destination for artists and writers who were drawn to the picturesque setting and the relaxed lifestyle. The town to this day has a very creative and artsy vibe that you really notice walking the different alleyways filled with galleries and studios. One thing we were not expecting was the amount of uphill walking we'd have to be doing. While Positano does have beautiful views, you can't get up to them unless you're ready to do some Italian Stairmaster. Speaking of Italian Stairmaster, here we see Shan setting a good example of how it's done. Since we got to the hotel early, we enjoyed some lunch and a few Aperol spritz prior to check-in. If you're looking for accommodations, we'd highly recommend Hotel Villa Gabrisa. It's a solid 4-star hotel and only a few minutes walk from the main town center.
I'm gonna shake it. Should I shake it? Really?
I don't know. It's
Okay. It's a Positano!
Oh! Drink it. There it is.
Lay down that umbrella.
Oh shit. So, turn of events, it started raining like crazy. I guess it's like a tropical storm. I don't know if this is common out here, but we're making the most of it. I guess we kind of had an idea, so we got the jacuzzi upgrade. But look at this. And now it is sunny and beautiful. Check this shit out. Look at that. We're still in the jacuzzi. Doesn't matter. Rain or shine, we're in the jacuzzi.
Hey everyone, Shan here. We don't have much content from the night before since Fran forgot his camera. But we did have a really good dinner at a restaurant called Adam and Eve. And then after dinner, we went to a beach club called Music on the Rocks. The next day, we packed our bags and called a private driver to continue our journey to Amalfi.
All right, guys, so we have just arrived in Amalfi town. We just got to the hotel, and the honeymoon trick has striked again. They made us a nice little personalized card, a little something for you to make your honeymoon even sweeter. Congratulations from all at the D'Amore De Luca staff. And they gave us these pastries that Shannon has literally just divulged in. And they gave us these little balloons and a small bottle of Prosecco that almost took my eye out when I popped it. And then look at this nice little view. So this is the town square of Amalfi, right when you walk in from the boat and from like the ocean, as you can see over there. It's beautiful. It's a super nice little town. We have a lot of exploring to do, so stay tuned. Oops, it's a video. So one thing you'll notice right when you get into Amalfi is that everything is yellow. A lot of yellow things, a lot of yellow shops, yellow soaps, yellow everything. And it all comes down to Amalfi being a huge producer and cultivator of lemons. And their lemons, if you could tell, are huge. They have extremely bright yellow skin, and I guess they say that there's higher source of vitamin C in them. I don't know. They're really good though. This is a lemon sorbet that everyone carries around. Very good. You guys should try it. You like it, Shan?
Very yummy.
You don't like it.
Is this thing going? Oh, Mom has walked away, and I'm testing this thing out. Pretty cool. I'm gonna do a wash his hands. There's water fountains here everywhere. Pretty neat.
All right, so one activity you have to do when you're on the Amalfi Coast is see it by the sea. So me and Shan, hello. Me and Shan got all dressed up and rented a nice little classic wooden boat here. I need you guys to check out the fit real quick. Look at this. Oof. It's really just a shirt and sunglasses. The boat's sick. Look at that. All right, let's check it out. All right, Shan, how do you like it?
It's awesome.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Pretty cool.
We got our captain on board, Vincenzo. We got a rainbow in the distance. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at this, though. It's a nice little retro Italian boat. Woo! Even wood steering wheel. Got a bed down there. I'm not sure if we're gonna go down there or not. It's too nice out here. Hell yeah.
Shannon here, and Ramos is really kicking off. Right now, look at him living life. How do you twist it?
You click on the button next to the red one.
Oh. For what?
The button next to the red one.
For what?
Click it 3 times.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. I can't.
Really? Good job, Shan. You're learning the Jimbo. Thank you, brother. Coming with the goodies. Positano in the distance.
The best Capitan Vincenzo.
Yes, the best captain.
Salute.
Cheers. All right, everyone. We hope you enjoyed traveling with us to the Amalfi Coast. Hopefully this inspired you to travel to Positano and Amalfi and give you some ideas for your next potential trip. In the next episode, we'll be traveling up north for a change of scenery in Lake Como. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I do my best to post new videos weekly, and I'd love to have you along for the ride. All right, till next time, peace, y'all.